This client came to me with extremely damaged and over-processed lashes from a DIY lash lift kit. Let me show you how I was able to correct these lashes and give them the healthy boost that they needed. Using our Elleeplex Profusion system, I'm utilizing a freestyling technique where I'm applying the first lotion through the lashes, gently brushing it through with a Wonder Wand to help straighten the lashes out. I allowed the lashes to process until there were no visible kinks and the lashes were straight on the under eye pad. I processed for around 8 minutes, ensuring that I kept the processing times low as these lashes were quite damaged. I then wrapped the lashes onto a large rod using balm. Because the lashes are softer, they're much easier to wrap, making this process super quick. I ensured that I separated the lashes seamlessly to remove any kinks or bends present in the lashes. When I apply the setting lotion, I want to bring it quite high up the lash as there were kinks all the way through to the tips of these lashes. This is really going to help correct the direction all the way from the base to the tips of the lashes. I then incorporate a set check to ensure that the lashes are holding the curl before I remove the setting lotion. I opted to apply the regen on its own as a standalone to ensure that it's really soaking into these lashes, and I let that sit for about 5 minutes before brushing the lashes off the rod. Now for the before and after of these results. As you can see, the lashes are looking so much more hydrated and healthy, and our client was super happy with the outcome.